we want to help. So being a part of a restoration effort like this is really amazing. These guys are so proud to be able to come to California and help the the customers here. What we've been hearing is that, the contractors, the crews are putting up wire and then they're blowing down the next day. So it's really, the PG&E employees, they're exhausted, and we're here to at least help them get some rest so we can take over, help them out. We have a good group here. We're going to get some work done. People are excited that we're here. From the local restaurants that we're going to the hotels. They're excited. They want us to be here. They want to get back in power, and it's just really amazing how we're welcomed with open arms.